Hi friends, welcome to our channel Guhan Construction. Today we are going to see about design ceiling. So usually when we go outside to common places like malls, cinema theaters and all, you would have seen many kind of design ceilings and you would have surprised how this kind of ceilings would have executed. So today we are going to see about such design ceiling, how the execution happened from the scratch. Before getting into this video, if any new viewers come to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so that all my future videos you will get a notification. So I am Subramanian. I have done BE in civil and completed MBA in project management. I have got 15 years of experience in this kind of projects like civil and interior, all kind of structural works and all kind of design interior works. Let's get into the video now. The photo which you are seeing, this ceiling execution only we are going to discuss now. This design is entirely made with a wooden finish. We call it as MDF. We have used 3 layers of 18 mm MDF and compressed it and made it like a sandwich, and then we installed it. So we will see from the top to bottom how it has done and how we have started from the nude ceiling to this kind of design ceiling. To execute this kind of challenging task, definitely we should have a proper technical team. So let's start how it has started from. See, this is the old image how the site was, and this is the finished image how we are going to finish it like that. So let's start from the scratch how it has started and let us go step by step. So this is the nude ceiling and we have started the supporting work of basic structure work. This is, we call it as upper leveling, proper plumb level, everything we should cross check. And once the structure is done, then we should close it with a shell which we used as a plywood, and here we have used a MDF. So once this MDF is executed, by that time also we should cross check the slope level, top level, bottom level, everything. Once the entire shell is done properly, then next is finished layer. The finished layer for this finish is laminate. So laminate we have started with vertical first. Once the vertical finishes is installed, then we will go for bottom one. In laminate installation, main challenge we will face it is we will get the bubble at the bottom layer. Why? Because due to gravitational the laminate gets bubble on the installed surfaces. So when we use a technical skilled labor, this kind of problem can be avoided. Even if the bubbles comes also, there is a alternative method to overcome this situation. So now the entire area we are installing the laminate. See, this is the finished view of it. So almost everywhere the laminate finish is installed, and we will have to wait for 24 hours to 48 hours to observe any bubbles are coming or not. Then we will go for the next level. See, the first bay of that shown surface is done now. So the second bay which I shown you, that jolly type design, so that design we have started manufacturing it. See, this is like a MDF 18 mm MDF. We will do a router cutting as per the design. So that design will be transferred to this MDF and we will make a router cutting. So this is the 3 layer of router cutting which is done with a sandwich method. So 3 layer of 18 mm you could calculate easily. So it will be like a main runner now. So once it is done, we will start positioning it as per the floor level. As I said already, this is a replica design. Whatever the floor design you are seeing it, the same design will be replicated at the ceiling also. So each and every corners, each and every origins have to be maintained properly. So we will first set up it in the floor level, whether all the designs are come and any cutting or alteration is there. Once we have arranged it in the floor level, then we will erect it in the ceiling using thread rod. So a thread rod we will install it in a true slab and we will connect it at the bottom of this jolly type, and we will make a washer type joints on it. So once it is done, then we will go for next level. See, you can see the joints of each and every jolly type. The MDF sheet comes in 4 by 8 feet. So once it is you can understand how many joints will come to complete this design. This particular design will take almost 8 sheets. So 8 joints have to be there, and that need to be properly maintained as per the floor joints. That is the challenge on this design now. So once everything is perfectly done, then we will go for the next step. So the final tightening part is going on now. After final tightening work, then we will go for the sheeting work. Over to this jolly, we have a light fixtures, and below to that, in between we will have a acrylic sheet. So this particular design we have to finish it with a paint finish, then we have to install the light fixtures. So you could see the light fixtures, LED light fixtures above to this. Once the connection is done, after checking it, then we will fix it above 1 feet top from the jali to get a uniform lighting. And after that we will install the sheets, that acrylic sheets. The acrylic sheets also need to be cutted as per the design, so it need to be cutted as per properly. See, you could see that cutting designs as per the each and every corners, each and every joint. This design have to be cutted in a different tailoring method. So once that entire cuttings is done, the painting part is also parallelly going on now. So after the painting work is done, then we will install the each and every corners, each and every holes, that acrylic sheet properly. So once that acrylic sheet is installed, we will remove the protection cover after completing the final finishing of this painting. So final finishing of the painting, we will find some cracks also on the joint. Those joints also we will be rectifying it, so that the accuracy of the finishes will look much better on it. Even the designs, you could see the joint fillings and all going on there. Once the joint filling and final painting is done, you could see the finish, the replica of the floor design. And even in the floor design and ceiling design also, at center it is a mirror. The left side will be matching to the right side. So this is how this particular design has been executed. Hope you enjoy this entire video. If you find any doubts on this execution, or you would have gone some public places and you would have got surprised the finishes, those finishes also, if you want to elaborate how it would have been done, please share those images. I will put as a next video. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a great day.